There is someone out there wishing they could live a little longer. There is someone out there who's wishing they could smell and taste. There are people out there wishing they had your life. There are people who wish they could see another bright sunrise. Be grateful for the people in your life. Be grateful for this happy time.
Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. I know I've been MIA for the longest period, but yes, here I am back again with a new video of my curly hair routine. So to start off, this video isn't a sponsored video, but I have gone through and used all these products, and only after using these products am I talking about them. So let's jump in and see the product line. So okay, for all of you who haven't guessed the brand as yet, or if you saw the cover picture, then you know that I'm going to talk about Mavi Moisture, and it's a shampoo line or a product line that I have been using for the past 1 month, and it has worked great for my hair. Even now, I shampooed my hair and conditioned it. This is the product line I use. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So it's called the Mavi Moisture line. And first let's look at the shampoo. As it's mentioned on the bottle, it says that the shampoo is for dried and damaged hair. It also helps in reviving and hydrating your hair. And a few ingredients that it has are shea butter, coconut oil, macadamia oil. And one ingredient that this brand professes to stand up for is its first ingredient, which is great. I don't know what to call that, but the first ingredient is aloe vera juice, which is great. Like it says, it's made from 100% aloe vera, which is amazing, and it's really nice. And then coming to the list of things it doesn't have mineral oils, it doesn't have sulfates, silicons, SLS, and ALES, which is great. And it also mentions that this brand is vegan, and the shampoo is made from pure coconut water and pure aloe vera, which is amazing. And coming to the smell, it smells really nice. Okay, it has a very fruity floral smell, which is nice, but it's not too strong also. And every time I rinsed my hair with it, it never left me with a strong after smell. So the smell is pretty mild. It's not too strong, it's not very strong, but you know that a scent is there. So if any of you are sensitive to fragrances, just watch out for that. But I wouldn't even say it's like too much. It's very, it is evident that there's a smell, but it doesn't, prolong, or it doesn't last. So that's about the Mavi Moisture shampoo. Now let's move to the conditioner. Okay, the conditioner is practically the same thing. It says it revives and hydrates hair, but one more thing I would like to mention is nowhere on the bottle does it mention that it is for curly hair. But then the only reason why I got it was because it said it's for dry and damaged hair, which my hair kind of was at that point. It was very damaged. Like even now, I think you can see that it's kind of dry. It's still healing. So yeah, that's about my hair. But coming back to the conditioner, it says the same thing. It is for dry and damaged hair, and it has the same ingredients, same set of what it doesn't have. So yeah, it's practically the same set of ingredients. And the first product in this as well is aloe vera, so it's a great win. And everything's the same as the shampoo, so yeah, I just don't want to repeat myself. The smell is amazing. It smells as fragrant as the shampoo, and it's really nice actually. To talk about the consistency, um, it is kind of runny, okay? I don't know if you can see, but I'll pour it and show it to you. So this is kind of how it is. It is runny. It isn't like really creamy and thick. I thought it would be very thick because they said it was for damaged hair and dry hair. So yeah, it isn't really thick, but it's kind of runny. But then it worked really well for the hair. It had great slip. When I detangled my hair, my fingers just slid through them. It didn't have like that plumpyish feeling or that knotty feeling where your fingers don't penetrate through. But then it was really nice. It had that slip and my hair felt nice and moisturized. It did its work. It was a great win. And yeah, I forgot to speak about the consistency of the shampoo. I'll show you how the shampoo is. The shampoo is kind of transparent or translucent in color, but yeah, this is kind of how it is. This is also pretty runny, and yeah, it definitely has some gloss to it. Okay, I'm not sure what, but it's really nice. And yeah, it cleaned my hair pretty well. It did its job, and I was really happy with the results though. It was really nice. And now, with that being said, let's move to the curl smoothie. So this thing is mentioned, on the bottle it is mentioned that it is for curly hair. So it's called the Curl Quench Plus Coconut Oil, and it is from the Mavi Moisture Hair Care line. And talking about the ingredients, I'm not too sure if you can see that, but yeah, it has coconut oil, papaya extract and palmyra extract, and it says it's silicone free. And then coming to the description, it says it's for thick and curly hair. It also says it hydrates, smooths and defrizzes your curls or your hair. So that's a great win for us. And now with the what is not found in this, it says it doesn't have silicons, no parabens, no gluten, no SLS, no sulfates, no synthetic dyes. And this product is vegan. It has pure coconut water in it. It has pure aloe vera juice in it, which is great. And like all the other products on this line, it is the same. So the first product itself says that it's made out of aloe vera with a blend of pure coconut water, which is like absolutely amazing for curly hair. Talking about curly hair or curly hair products, this is like a huge win, seriously. And let's look at the consistency. Okay, the smell is great. It smells so yummy. I'm not even joking, like it smells really nice, and yeah, you can see that I used it. And it's pretty thick. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it is pretty thick. It's nice and has great smell. It worked well. I've also used other smoothies before, or curly products. So if you would ask me to compare it with something, I would compare it to the Sheer Moisture curl smoothie, the hibiscus and coconut curl smoothie. It isn't as thick as the Sheer Moisture hibiscus coconut curl smoothie, but then it's closer to Cantu. If you guys have used Cantu earlier, yeah, it's close to that, but it isn't as strong smelling as Cantu. This is like fine. This is you know the smell is there, but it's not too loud, it's not too overpowering. You can't say it's mild as well, but it is it's there. Like there is a smell, but it is all right. So yeah, and coming to the price, I got this on Amazon and I got it for like 2000 bucks. And I think it's fine because I think for quite a few washes, I didn't have to use too much product. I had to use like a pea-sized amount, like maybe this much. Yeah, I just used that much. I didn't have to use too much product, and it really helped. It did help. But then definition wise, I think maybe Cantu gives better results, and is what I felt, to be honest. But yeah, otherwise this does its work. It's not like it's not overrated or something like that. It does its work. It works well. And yeah, so there's one more thing. While shampooing, I use this shampoo brush. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so it's from the brand Ross. I'll put in all my or rather I'll just leave the descriptions or the links in the description box below, so you can just go and click and pick up stuff from there. It has really soft bristles. I think you can see that, right? Yeah, so the bristles are really soft. They aren't too harsh, and it's great for your hair. You just have to do this when you shampoo it, just to apply or to distribute the shampoo onto your scalp. Just gently massage it onto your scalp. It does its work. It doesn't cause tangles. It doesn't do all of that because it's really soft and smooth and it's nice. So this is kind of what I do for my hair care routine. And yeah, to be honest, I don't use gel or anything else. More than that, I just use oil.
So if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to like and share. And before I leave you all, here's finishing with what I have to say. Be grateful for the small mercies. Be kind. Be honest. Be the bestest version of you. Yes, be you. Live like you have no tomorrow. Love like you're on borrowed time, because it's absolutely good to be alive. Trust the people in your life and trust their intentions. Be the change you want to see in others. Be the change you want to see in the world. Don't take people for granted. Don't take love for granted. Don't take life for granted. And don't you dare say, I wish I never lived. Enjoy each moment like it was your last. Enjoy all the small, teeny weeny things you do in life. Find joy in everything and just be happy. Stay home, stay safe, and until I see you next time, stay curly and stay happy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.